So this is what you're gonna need. I will be using these bowls that I got from Dollar Tree, and also this pizza tray, and the glue I would be using is my glue gun. I like using this one because it dries fast, but you have to be fast with this one because it dries really quick on plastic. You can also use the E6000, or the other glue that I got is a super glue that I got from Dollar Tree. It works pretty good with plastic too. It takes a while to dry, so I'm applying a little bit of that one with my glue gun, and I'm doing the first layer. Just be careful because I tried sticking it and it sticks fast. Just make sure it's lined up. You can see I was having trouble. So that's my first round that I'm doing with glue, and make sure you apply pressure for at least 10 to 15 seconds. I will be using these gems just to make it heavy, just in case, you know, if it falls off or whatever, you have some type of weight. And I'm applying my second layer of glue, and of course I'm using my glue gun. So now I added more glue, and I'll be adding my other bowl right on top. As you guys can see how I'm doing it, I'm doing one upside down, the other one up, the other one upside down. You guys get the point. So now I'm gonna be doing a little bit of more glue on the outside just to keep it nice and firm and steady, and it won't fall over. So now that I finished all my bowls, I will be adding this pizza tray that I got from Dollar Tree. It was only $1, of course. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my glue, and now we'll be doing my last step, which is adding the tray. And here it is now ready. It's super easy, simple, the fastest thing I ever done in my DIYs. This is the final step. This is how it looks so beautiful. You can paint it if you want. I added the plant so you guys could see how it looks, but you guys could add whatever you guys want, paint it whatever color you guys want. And this is with my flower vase, but I'm going to be using this centerpiece for the outside. I'm just showing you guys how pretty it looks. So I hope you guys like this DIY I did from Dollar Tree with only $7. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.